Welcome to day 15. You have been completing for last 12 days, and congratulations, you are just about to cross our fourth flight line. That is 15 days, just one day away. So today we are going to discuss the same topic we have discussed yesterday, the second part of the golden rule. So the main crux of the golden rule, you always have to keep your hand away from your waist part or whatever the private part of your area. So in this second part of this video, I am going to tell you some different techniques by which you can keep in mind, and you will get like enormous benefit from this. So let's start. So first one is your rubber band technique. So what is rubber band technique? So rubber band technique is used to consciously punish your any kind of urge or any kind of habit. So like you have a habit of shaking your leg, so whenever you notice you are shaking your leg, so you just keep a rubber band on your wrist and just pull too hard and just leave it. So as it hit to your hand or to a skin, so it will send a reminder to your mind. So yeah, by doing this, the mind will get punished, or like it will not generating the dopamine blast or dopamine instant gratification. So the mind will not next time want to do this thing again and again. So after sometimes it's like plasticity to mind, so it will not work on that way. So just what you have to do, just take a rubber band and put your arm. So whenever you are just cluttered over your mind, just brain fog, so whenever getting this kind of sexual thought and urge, so whenever you just notice first, you just pull your rubber band too hard and just leave it. So as it hit to your skin, so it will give the reminder, so you don't have to, you have taken the challenge, so it will like work wonderfully. So what will you just see in this video? So just keep it for few days and it will like work wonder. So second technique we are going to discuss a Swiss pattern. This is an NLP technique and it's wonderful. It work also it will, like you are practicing for a long time, then it will give a wonderful result. So what you have to do, so now it's like visualizing. So it's just, you can say, the type of visualizing. So first of all you have to do, just form the visualization that after this challenge or after quitting the porn or PMO, what kind of the changes you are going to test. So just visualize. So you have the productivity has been increased, there is no sexual thought, and like just transform like a beast. So just visualize that kind of the things. You are just independent all the things and liberated, and no more any guilt or shame regarding these things. You always energized. So visualize a picture. After that, what you have to do, just make a dot. Whatever the picture you have created, you just make a dot and place anywhere to your mind, just any corner of your mind. Just contract this, make a dot and place there. Now you just create your current scenario, current state of picture. So right now what happening due to this addiction, or due to this problem, which kind of the things you are going to, and just imagine the current situation now. So expand the dot on the note of Swiss. So you just imagine the current situation, you just say Swiss. So after the saying switch, so now the dot which has been visualized after the what type of transformation, what type of change we want. So after the saying Swiss, so we just imagine that picture and visualize that thing, and we will do again and again. So like whenever you say Swiss, then it is not going to like hold for a like long time, even it will in a very few seconds. So when you diminish, then again you have to switch, then again you just created whatever the transformation type of picture you want, then again switch. So you can just do keep continuing till then the current picture get diminished, means current picture is like no longer effective over the your visualization picture. So this is all about the Swiss pattern, means you are just visualizing the things which you want to change. So you can just do this thing and it will work wonder. So just make a visualization which kind of the things. So make a dot and place in your mind and expand your dot on the note of Swiss. So you just replace the current state of your current state of your going through, and with the future thing you want to see. So for this you can just choose any like calm place or some nearby the river or under the tree, but it's not necessary, you can do anywhere, like doing your work, doing your cooking, any. So you just have to do in your mind, so don't have to worry about that much thing. So you just try to practice and it will work wonderful. So next technique is our extinction training. So extinction is a behavioral phenomenon observed in both operating condition and classically conditioned behavior, which manifests itself by fading of non-reinforced condition response over time. Another one is, once fear is occurred, it can be diminished during extinction training, whereby the conditioned stimulus is repeatedly presented without the aversive outcome until fear is no longer expressed. Fear can spontaneously recover with the passage of time. So I hope you will get some idea. So what does it mean, the extinction theory? Means whenever you are getting some urge, so like there is a fear. So if there is a fear inside you, so it will more problematic. So you just express your fear. So after expressing the fear, like you are fear of swing, so you just take a jula and try to figure out your fear. You try to feel the fear. So like that you have to do whatever the things. So like where we are indulged, either through laptop, either through our mobile phone, isn't it? So you just, whenever craving for like watching porn or this kind of activity, course of action, so you just open the mobile phone, open your laptop, and you just browse that website, and suddenly either you browsed, then just close your browser. Understood? Means you have to open the browser and instantly you have to close your browser. Means you don't have to like wait for maximum 5 seconds. So this is about the extinction theory. Means you will express your fear, but you will just surpass your fear. So what you have to do, you have just browse your any kind of website or whatever you are willing to watch, but you just close this within 5 seconds. So you have to start a stop. Now next one is urge surfing. So urge surfing is like how we a boat is surfing over in a like sea or some beach, or so like that we have to be with the surfing. Like we are craving for some urges or like huge craving for doing the masturbation and have a hard boner, like you unable to hold it. So the whatever the things we have discussed earlier, so all the things you have to apply. But like that, you have what you will do, you just feel the sensation. Like it is also recommended, or it is also said whenever you are watching the porn or like that kind of video. So you just try to watch, not like just interface with the screen or your eye. You just be with like what kind of things running or happening in that scene. So like whenever we are watching movies, so we just in the movie, so not just watching the movies, so like what happening, which kind of things, effects, sounds, all the things we discussed, and all the things we just assumed or think. So like that, you have just think all the things. So what you do, so first you have to identify the physical sensation, where the sensation or like the which part of body getting more like a craving, like for urge, like whenever you are feeling hungry, then some part or some organ of your body is like more sensitive, or like there is more sensation from there. So like for the urge or for the PMO, you are getting more sensation from your private parts or somewhere, like even you will feel nearby your ear, even through the your leg plates, isn't it? So you just try to find out the sensation where it's coming, focus on the sensation. So after focusing on sensation, notice the breathing, how your breathing pattern is happening, isn't it? So after noticing, so where the sensation, so after just follow the breathing pattern or notice the breathing. Now refocus on body. Again, you just concentrate on your body where the sensation is happening, or like now you are feeling, so there is a sensation. So now stay curious and present. So you try to visualize and try to just see the picture, how the things going on. So this is about the, like we have already discussed, diverting. So it's just about the diverting your concentration from the that urge to the like some breathing or this kind of. So it will automatically like now goes down, like now we have already discussed the curve. It goes up and then drastically down. Now dopamine fasting. So dopamine fasting is like a digital detox type. So we have what we do. So now any kind of technical platform, any kind of internet platform, social media platform, internet game, or whichever is related to either laptop or some digital media. Okay, so we have to figure out what is important or how much it is important. How can we like maintain these things? How can we manage all the things so that we can find out the like some unnecessary or unusual time there. So you have to just whatever figure out the things where your time is consuming more, and try to get out of there as much as you can. So whatever the important works you just do, and just get out from there, like social interaction or like game or this kind of things. So it will really help you. So in later video we will discuss thoroughly about the digital detox or dopamine fasting. So till then, so what is the summary of day 1 or day 2? So we have seen that escapism means how you can divert your see or like touch, means by eye we are seeing, and then the brain doing all the things, and then our hand doing the course of action. So how you can eliminate, or how can you reduce the use of your eye and hand to indulging in that. So the simple formula: keep your hand away from your waist area, sleeping posture. So always keep your hand below your head. So transparent premises means keep your around surrounding like open, means there is no like private or only you are allowed. So you just keep transparent, keep the people coming and going, so that you will like public disclosure, so you are not willing to do that thing. Another is instant gratification versus long gratification. You see, either smoking giving you the pleasure, or like cancer will give you the pleasure. So just this kind of the comparison you do. Now the rubber band technique we have already discussed. Keep a rubber, and whenever you're getting the urge, whenever you're noticing that kind of phenomena, you just push the rubber band too hard and just leave. So it will, as it hit our body, so the sensation will remind you not to like this kind of thought. Now Swiss pattern. So you just visualize and try to surpass your current picture. Another is extinction theory, means whatever your application you are doing, whatever the gadget, say like a smartphone or a laptop or any computer, you just open that browse and just close within 5 seconds. Now urge surfing means you just see the sensation and try to focus on your breathing. Now dopamine fasting, you just use as much minimum all the digital platform or digital gadgets. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening. See you tomorrow.